Bonjour, aujourd'hui nous allons parler de l'expression de la durée. So there are many ways we can express duration in French, just like in English, and it can be a little complex. So please take notes and be ready to ask your teacher some questions after viewing this video. So there are a variety of adverbs and prepositions we can use to express duration. The first one we're going to look at is depuis, which expresses continuity. The action continues in the present tense. We can use it with the present or the past tense in French. Then we can use pendant, which expresses a limited duration in time and can be used with all tenses. Then we've got en, which expresses the time necessary to complete an action and can be used in all tenses as well. We also have il y a, which expresses a moment in the past and can be used in the present or the past tense. And finally, we have ça fait something que, which, like depuis, expresses continuity and can be expressed used in the present or the past. So let's see them in more details. Depuis, the action or its consequences continue as I'm speaking. So in the present, I would have il habite en France depuis 10 ans. He's been living in France for 10 years. That means he continues to live in France. He hasn't left, okay? J'étudie le français depuis 5 ans. I've been studying French for 5 years, okay? So the action continues in the present. I haven't stopped studying French. In the past, il a changé depuis qu'il a commencé à faire du tennis. He changed since he started practicing tennis. Again, this action started in the past, but is continuing to have its effect on the behavior of that person in the present. Je ne l'ai pas vu depuis 3 semaines. I haven't seen him for 3 weeks. So that action, I still haven't seen him. So that action started in the past and continues in the past. The next one is pendant. As we speak, the action is completed. Okay, so if I say, let's have a look at that past tense, which is the main use. J'ai vécu au Maroc pendant 3 ans. I lived in Morocco for 3 years. That action is over. I do not live in Morocco anymore. Or j'ai attendu mon père à l'aéroport pendant des heures. I waited for my father at the airport for hours. But that action is over. I am no longer in the airport. I'm not waiting for anybody there. In the future, we can use it for a short period of times. For instance, cette exposition va durer pendant 2 semaines. This exhibition will last 2 weeks, okay, during 2 weeks. And in the present tense as well, il travaille pendant la semaine is a general truth. He works during the week, okay? So here it's a during sort of expression. Then we've got en, the time necessary to complete an action. So it's just like in English, okay? So je peux manger un croissant en 2 minutes. I can eat a croissant in 2 minutes. In the past, he learned French in 6 months. And in the future, I'm going to finish this exercise in 10 minutes. Okay, so more or less the same as English here. Il y a is not used very often, but we can sometimes use it to express something that happened in the past. J'ai vu Marc il y a 2 jours. Okay, so I saw him 2 days ago. The lesson started 10 minutes ago. C'était son anniversaire il y a 2 semaines. His or her birthday was 2 weeks ago. Okay, so this is an ago expression. We're going to also use it in conjunction with que. Il y a 3 jours qu'ils sont arrivés. They arrived 3 days ago. Ça fait something que refers to a period of time and is very similar to depuis. So in the present tense, we can use it for saying ça fait 5 ans que j'étudie le français. I've been studying French for 5 years. Ça fait 2 heures que je l'attends. I've been waiting for him for 2 hours. Okay, so it's a duration for. In the past, ça fait longtemps qu'il est parti. He's been gone for a long time. Ça fait 1 semaine que le magasin est ouvert. The shop has been open for a week. It can also be the shop was open a week ago. Okay, so let's practice a little bit. You know the drill. Try to do this in your book. Pause, and you will have the correction in a minute as soon as you go to the next slide. So pause now. And here is the correction. So here we have ça fait 2 jours que je tousse et que je me sens malade. I've been feeling ill for 2 days. Okay, je fais du français depuis que je suis jeune. I've been doing French since I was young. En 2 heures, il a fini d'écrire son essai. He finished his essay in 2 hours. Pendant la récréation, during a break time, I like to discuss that, to talk with my friends. For always, I've enjoyed reading books. Okay, depuis toujours. J'ai assisté à leur mariage il y a 2 jours. 2 days ago, I was there at their wedding. How long have you been waiting for that bus? That's a really nice way to ask a question. And to finish, it's been